Okay. So we're good now with all the products, but we have to write the functions for this. So navigate to detail space. So how we are navigating? So we have to be very careful. So you are verifying the product list is there or not, verifying the sale banner. You are getting all the product names, right? And product prices you are getting, but we don't need these things. Search product is a very important, right? Once you search particular product, right? Suppose I did a search on this. So go to product space, and if I do a search, it should give one product only, right? It should give this one product, one result. So this is what we need to check the, so this product, and then navigate to uh, the details page. So you can click on view product. That's the flow. Generally we do, that's the flow. You click on view product and you will navigate. So you won't do one of them clicking on that, but both flows you can do. So without searching, with searching, we have to try. So if I click on this, here also you can add directly, right? You can mouse over, click on this, you can add. This is one option, right? But the other option is, so without navigating to detail space is one flow. Remember that. And another flow is click on view product, then click on add to cart and increase the stepper. So that's a stepper increase is also important. So these ones we need to find out. What is the stepper quantity value one? But I think this one is talking about these steppers. When I mouse over, the steppers are coming. Mm. Or you can have, so this is easy, right? By clicking on this, you can increase, but that stepper, we need to find out what is that stepper. See, we are not getting here. So you should add how you can find out these elements identification. So you have to add, so that function set timeout. This is a very important, set timeout parenthesis. So debugger, you can set this. Then press enter key, then you mouse over and the option you will get here. See, now this will be on hold, it won't execute. So now you go to element space and you can spy on this. Uh, but still that one. How to get this? But input box only it is giving. Quantity steppers. Yes, quantity steppers are not visible.
Sir, by clicking on the text and then we can use a uh, down arrow, up arrow, right? How many items we want and
That you cannot use here. This yard is a stepper, but that stepper is not visible in the. That's what I'm saying. Only edit box we are able to see here. The stepper. This is the stepper means. Okay, this is the stepper. So up and down arrows, but that up and down arrows. So here in the HTML code also it should show. Then only we can perform action and clicking on the stepper up, stepper down function. That is not showing. Okay. So step over to next function. So where this product details code. If you go to code, and I'm just checking where they kept it. This is all code, okay? They have written. style sheet. You can debug their code also like this. So debugger, this is the debugger. It will go here. So is array bind set interval. But where is that stepper function? Okay, fine. That's, we don't want to waste time. You can enter here. So just send key fill method you can use. You can fill whatever the quantity you want. That's fine. I don't want to waste time here. But another thing is how you can find out hidden elements is like that. Set timeout you do in the console output, and you can do that. So now let's do that. Search product is the crucial. After search product, brand names, category names you are getting, but that's not important. Now you have to, once you search the product, right, you have to verify the searched product is there in the verify search results. The product is present or not, you have to verify, right? That product is present or not, you have to check. So that is the very important thing. So this product name, so what are the product name? We got it here. Let me go there. This one, right? This one. How you can validate this? You have to get this. This is one you are giving a dress name. The product name, right? Basically, that's a product name. We have given a product name, right? So that product name we already written here. So product names you are getting here, product names here. So from this, so you have to get product names method contains this product name also or not, you have to check that. So search results, it is all this method when you call, this is giving. So you have to check that contains or not. Search results name includes product name. That's it. Okay. So these results, otherwise you can ignore this. Again, you don't need to assign to one more. Directly you can call this function here. One more level you can remove that. All the text we got already. Why he is asking again? So you can remove this. Okay. So this product names includes this product name or not, we are checking that. That's a verifying search results. So after that, what you need to do? You have to navigate to the product details page. So async navigate to product details page. So you are navigating to that product details page. So then you can just trimming and clicking on that. This is the navigating to product details page. So there you can okay, he's adding a throws if that product is not found. Then verify the product details. So it should contain what it should contain. So dress price, dress name, and you can add. So what are all and quantity input, add to cart, all these are visible or not. Category details and brand details. So what else? So you can keep adding and see multiple ands I'm adding. So availability, right? So await availability added already. Quantity input, dress price, availability. Await. So availability also we can add. Condition details, view product image details are present or not. That's how. So you're verifying, right? And then you can add to cart. So add the product to the cart. So as sync, add product to cart from details page. So the quantity, whatever the quantity you want, you can add, how many you want to add, right? Fill the quantity and then click on add to cart. So see that once you add, so I'll go to view product. I added a one, maybe I'll two, add to cart. So then you are getting this again. Okay. So this message you are getting. Then verify the added cart pop-up. Okay. So then we have to verify product added to cart. So then we have to see added header is visible, add to cart message is visible, and then view cart link also visible, right? So and view cart and continue shopping is visible. So that's the another verification. So then you have to, maybe if you want to view so the cart, you have to click on view cart link, right? Click on, so async, click on view cart link. So you can click on view cart. If view cart link is visible, just click on that. Then else, so it is not available. So that's the complete flow. You can navigate to that that page, or you can even click on continue shopping also. If you want to one flow, you have to check, right? Click on continue shopping link is visible, then do that. Else you can do so that continue shopping is. So both paths, so basically in your pop-up, you have one view cart page navigation, another one is you continue the shopping. So both path you have to check. Then the code will cover both places. So the coverage you will get more. That's the main agenda of these things. Okay. We're all good with this, right? Anything pending? Anything we missed? So we covered everything. All the methods, so many methods we have. See multiple ands, it will give you any condition fails, this will return false. Then basically I'm going to make sure this is going to be truthy function I'm going to use there in the test case, expect function inside. So that time if it no returns false, and we need to see why it is failing. So which one is not available, it will point out clearly. And another way, right, we add product to cart from details we have seen, but we can add product to cart directly from product space, product list space. How can we add that? Did we add that? Add product to cart from result space. That we didn't do, right? Let's do that. Another function. Click view cart link. Click on continue shop, get brands, get category names. Here I'm just doing add to cart here. If you give index, it will click on one of them. Verify added to cart. Okay, this is all available here. We cart link, continue shopping. Click on view products button. This is verify product details page. And this one we did already. We don't need. Not required. So what I want to do is the next add product sync, add product from product list page itself. So add product to cart from product list. Product list. So you have to give only index, right? Only index. So there is no quantity here. There is no quantity, right? It's giving quantity. Did we have a quantity? Continue shopping. Let's do this. Add to cart. You're just clicking add to cart. That's it. Continue shopping. Okay, one more if you want. Continue. So how many you want? Okay, quantity if you want. Yeah, that's why he is giving quantity. Just select the quantity. If index, you have to click on add to cart buttons. So then there is no quantity here. You have to continue. If quantity so matches, so there is no fill concept here. So he has to click one more time, add to cart buttons for the next one. So I have to use a loop basically. I have to use a loop. If index is less than 0, index at this add to cart buttons count, and I can use a loop basically. Loop inside how many you want to iterate, how many iterations you want based on this quantity. He has to go and click on each product. That's how I need to build the logic here. This index that doesn't work out, right? So let me write for loop. So account. So this should be the quantity, how many you want to product. Okay. If I is equal to index, if I want to add 2 or 3, I value becomes index 0, it will come. Here you are taking index, you don't need this index, only quantity is enough. And equal to quantity. So quantity minus 1. So add product at index to cart. Add to cart button you are clicking. Then there is no fill. Why this guy is getting always fill? Wait for load state. So if the added header, you have to click on continue shopping, right? You have to click on continue shopping. Once you click, you will get a pop-up, added header. Then you have to click on, so continue shopping. Click continue shopping link. So then it will iterate. Okay, it will iterate. So this is the how you need to build a logic if you want to add a product, multiple products. So you give the product how many you want. So if I 0, 1 minus 1, 0, it will come inside. That card 0, first card will add, then wait for load state. Then if the pop-up you will get, the pop-up I am verifying, and you want to add one more, right? Click on continue shopping link. Then it will start a second one. If I value will increase by 1, right? 1. So, and for example, I give 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Oh, first itself it will fail, right? If I give 2, this equal to you should not use. I less than or equal to quantity. A less than or equal to quantity. See, I first 0, 0 less than 2. True comes inside. So the first one will click. Then it will come inside. Add, continue shopping. Next I value will increment 1. 1 less than. So less than is enough, I think. Equal to is not necessary. It will less than or equal to means it will add more than 2 if I want 2 products. So I value starts with a 0. So that's why 0 and 1 will add and it will terminate. So that's what we want. Okay. So that's it. And it will add products to multiple products to the cart. That's all. Product space is very important. That's why we took some time. All the functions are ready now. So we can use, somewhere error is there. How do I know? This is a red mark. If red mark is there, somewhere error. You can see this, click on this. It's not ended properly.
In the line number 180, semicolon is 181.
Semicolon. Why do we need a semicolon at the end? I want to see this. Let's close this function. Why this one? Where is this ending? This is not ending. Okay, this one is ending here. Now I needed 2 more. One for class. That's the one. So this is for function, this is for class. See, now that is red mark gone. Okay. So then right click and format the document. So now properly it will format. Okay, so that's all. So let's do remaining things next class. We have finished product details. Almost done. We are close. Another 2-3 pages, right? Cart page. Next we have to verify cart page. Okay. Thank you. See you next week.